In this video, you will learn about the concat function in Excel, a modern way to join text. Concat is Excel's modern function for combining text from multiple cells into a single cell. It is the official replacement for the concatenate function. The basic syntax for the concat function is as follows: equals concat, text1, text2, and so on. You can include as many text arguments as you need. Here's a simple example. If cell A1 contains John and cell B1 contains Doe, the formula equals concat A1, B1 will result in John Doe. Note the space in the quotes to separate the first and last names. Concat is the modern replacement for the older concatenate function. While concatenate still works, concat is the preferred function for combining text in newer versions of Excel. A key advantage of concat is that it can directly accept cell ranges. This makes it easier to combine text from multiple cells without having to list each cell individually. For example, the formula equals concat A1, A5 will combine all the text in cells A1 through A5. Here's an example of using concat with a range. If cells A1, A2, and A3 contain hello, world, and Excel respectively, then the formula equals concat A1, A3 will produce Hello World Excel. In summary, concat is the modern replacement for concatenate in Excel. It accepts cell ranges for easier text combining. Use it to simplify your text manipulation tasks in Excel. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.